Hi everyone, who wears glasses or needs some kind of contact lenses or something to correct their vision? Even if you don't, you might want to know about it. That's what we're learning about today, how to correct vision.
So who wears glasses or has contact lenses? Even if you don't, I bet you want to know how glasses or contact lenses work. Well, that's what we're learning about in this lesson. We're learning how to correct vision. We're going to look at what happens to your eye and what type of issues you might have with your eye that cause it to not work properly and require you to use some kind of correcting lenses to help to fix your vision. So that's what we're looking at today. And to start with, we want to think about what a normal eye is like. Well, if your eye is normal, your lens is going to hopefully allow you to see things properly. So the lens found in the eye focuses the light rays. And there's actually another part that helps to focus light rays as well. And can you think of what that is? That's right, it's the cornea. So the cornea is actually doing a lot of the focusing as well, but your lens can change the way its shape is in order to help you to correct vision. So let's take a look at that now. And I guess when the light rays focus that image gets focused onto a certain part. Do you remember what that's called? That's right, it's called the retina, and that's found at the back of the eye. Now, in normal vision, this is what your eye is going to look like. It's got this round shape to it, and the light rays from a distant object, one that's far away, are refracted by the lens and then exactly meet up and focus right on the back of the retina. Same with light from nearby objects. Well, they're going to refract and then converge right on the back of the retina as well. So that's what it looks like with a normal eye. It's just that perfectly round shape. And the focusing on the retina happens properly. This is actually figure 6.19 in your textbook. It's on page 234 if you want to take a look at that. Now, in some people, the eye actually has a longer shape, so it's kind of stretched out a little bit and made longer. It's stretched out from top to bottom. And in this case, the image that forms in front of the retina, or the image actually forms in front of the retina, and it's called nearsightedness if you have this type of vision. So here's a diagram for that and how it actually works. So you can see that this eye is sort of elongated, and it stretches out a bit. It's longer this way than it is up and down. Now, here's another one here. Same kind of thing. It's sort of stretched this way. And I'll show you a picture of that here. So if you look at it just to give you a better idea, it's kind of like flattened on the top and the bottom so that the eye is kind of stretched out. And when that happens, the light rays hit the lens and they don't actually meet at the focal point on the retina. They actually meet up a little bit before that. So any image that you see on your retina is blurry. And so you need something to correct that with. Well, what comes to the rescue is, what kind of lens is this? That's right, it's a concave lens, and that actually diverges the light enough so that when it does converge and meet at the focal point at the back of your eye, it hits the retina at the right spot, so you get a focused image. So anybody who's nearsighted has lenses that are thinner in the middle and thicker at the edges. So check it out. If your glasses are that shape, thinner in the middle, thicker at the edges, you're going to be nearsighted. That means you can see things that are closer up a lot better. So concave lenses are used to correct nearsightedness. Well, what do you predict happens for people that are the opposite? They're going to have an elongated eye that's the other way. So it's sort of like it's stretched out a bit. And that's called, what do you think? You're right, that's called farsightedness. So that's our next topic here. So for people that are farsighted, the shape of the eye is shorter. It's kind of like it's squished a little bit, and that's called farsightedness. So you can see that theirs is elongated this way, And when the light rays hit the lens, well, it focuses actually past where the retina is, so it doesn't actually get a chance to focus, and you get a blurry image. So those people are called farsighted. They can see things really well that are far away. And in that case, you're going to use what type of lens? You're going to use a convex lens, and what it does is it converges the light rays before it gets into the lens of the eye and focuses the light rays right onto the retina so that the focal point is right at the right spot and you see a clear image. So for those people, often your eyes look larger when you look through people like that. If you look through their glasses, you can see that they have large eyes. And you might want to check that out. Maybe you're farsighted, you can see things far away, and your glasses have that thicker shape in the middle and thinner at the edges. So last thing here, convex lenses correct vision for farsighted people.
That was how you correct vision, and I hope you learned about the different lenses and what they're used for in order to correct different types of vision problems or issues. See you again in a bit. Bye.